as Tusker pushmen forward. Mushiri with the ball. What a goal here by Tusker. Well, just couldn't keep possession. Duncan. Powers, Majid trying to look for Beka Lukoa. Tangauzi deals with it now. Sydney Ochieng, the scorer of the first goal, he fumbles with the ball to Masharia. Now, Mushiri. Well, the third goal here, the result of a counter-attack. That is what Matano was looking for here. And Mushiri, he scores his 9th goal of the season here. They push all the yellow shirts behind the ball. They wait and just wait for a mistake. And there it happened again. Can they utilize that? Masharia, he has the ball. Well, goal number 4 here for Tusker. Well, this is a drubbing.